Hello, K2. How are you? Good. I'm very happy to see you again. I hope that you're happy, healthy, and safe at home. Today for phonics, we're going to talk about the letter I sound. Can you make the letter I sound with me? I, I, I. If we look in our phonics book, on page 8, we have Inky the mouse. She got her name because she got covered in ink when she escaped from her cage. Inky the mouse uses the letter I sound to make her squeak sound. Can you do it with me, K2? Let's do it together. Make our mouse whiskers. I. Good job, K2. Let's look at some I words. Can you say the I words with me? Igloo. Good job. Ink. Very good. Inside. Good. Insect. Very well done, K2. And if we look back on page 8 with Inky, I know that you can use your pencils or your crayons to color Inky and the ink very beautifully. Thank you so much, K2. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.